Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Kenny and welcome to my POV on life.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Okay. Spooky mode. Let's see. What time is it? It's literally 4:42 a.m.
It's one in my, get the one out of my office.
Let's see, is it gonna turn? Oh, it is gonna turn. Wow, it turned seamlessly. We have to catch our flight. And it's early. Super early. And my eyes won't stop watering. Okay.
He's about to pull up.
Oh, now I'm about to pull up. That looks scary, Mary.
Forget your money.
I ain't gonna forget my money. Well, good morning, vlog. We are in Mexico. Mexico. So beautiful. We came in for Christmas yesterday. I didn't vlog all that because I just wanted to be in the moment, but we're about to get breakfast. So roll some cinematic type clips now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. You are now free to move about the cabin.
I told you. Should have got it in. It's me and Grandma. What are we about to do? We are about to relax. I think.
No, it's not.
No. This is T. The older siblings. We're out. We're handling business.
Strict as fuck around here.
Strict. Don't get out of line.
Oh, they got burgers up here. Yeah, fuck y'all.
Okay, let's get the vibes. Okay. Hey.
How do you feel about people doing that when you vlog?
It doesn't bother me.
I know some people get irritated.
Yeah.
Where were the steps?
Yes, right that way. God, look at these big ass boats. The cruise lines. Wow. It's beautiful. God, massage. Hi. Oh my God, you look so pretty. Thanks. She had a nice spirit. Is giving cans.
Oh, Mira?
He said, look at yourself in the mirror, honey.
Okay.
No gracias. Ooh. Look.
Because I look like a flower.
No, literally.
Damn, this sand is sinking my ass.
So, we just made it to the beach. Oh, there's a bee on me. Oh, Jesus. And that's enough of that. On the beach. Ah! Oh, Lord.
It makes you feel like you're moving.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We might gotta go. That tide is hot. We gotta go. Move up. Move up.
It's food. That's what it does.
No. No. Where are you throwing sand?
To get their attention so they can come on back.
That ain't gonna do it.
It's coming.
No.
y'all run water.
It's chasing you too.
Well, Grandma, what'd you think? Yeah.
You having fun? Yeah.
She playing Splash Zone, Lord.
Look how beautiful it is.
It's great, huh?
I can't believe they want to switch you like that.
Man.
Pick you up and take you straight
Ah!
out to sea. That's far as I'm going.
That was enough. I was this isn't like Hi vlog. It's hours later. We were on the beach literally.
5:55.
We were on the beach all day. I took a nice nap, came back, showered, changed, and now we're getting ready to go eat dinner. Tomorrow we're going whale watching. Are you fucking serious right now? Ew. Oh. That's not a whale, that's an alien.
The Apple store
I got some
out here is called Mac Store.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Guys, I got a new bracelet. I got a new bracelet to add to my collection here. And then, oh, actually 2 bracelets to add, thanks to my brother. But one of them, okay, that's probably not the best ankle, but it's on my ankle. It's so ghetto. Yeah. My brother got me this one for Grandma. Merry Grandma. Merry Grandma. All right, I'll see y'all at dinner. See you at the dinner. See you at dinner. Goodbye. We're going to go eat. What's new? 1/4. I got you. I got you. Yep. Look at my mom is wearing her finest curtains tonight. Drapery. And so am I, actually.
Drapery. It's giving curtains.
Curtains. Make it see. Is it buffet style in here?
Is it buffet style?